This review is of Farmer's Fridge Green Goddess Salad, and it does have milk products in it. Looks like cottage cheese. So let's give this a try. These are the ingredients. Nutrition facts. One jar has got 25 grams of fat, of which 5 are saturated, no trans fats, or 25 milligrams of cholesterol, 850 milligrams of sodium, geez Louise, 38 grams of carbs, of which 6 are fiber, 7 are sugars, of which 3 are added, and 14 grams of protein. Handcrafted in our kitchen. Okay. And the ingredients are a long list. So both the cottage cheese and the dressing are dairy. Yay. Let's try. Okay, in the top there are pecans, which I didn't expect. And this is a lot less green than the green goddess salad I used to eat in university. Definitely very yogurty. Definitely somebody's very interesting idea of what a green goddess salad should look like. Because, you know, green goddess is a salad dressing. For those of you who are not familiar. And this does not taste like it. This is sour and herbal. I think it's got dill in it. So I'm gonna get some additional fortification against the lactose. Mix it all up. Yeah, personally, the dressing is not at all what I had hoped for. Because I really loved eating green goddess in university. Salad dressing, that is. And this is so different. It is a little bit difficult to mix it up. And I have no doubt that it's going to taste quite different once I get it all mixed up. Between the cottage cheese, which I have not had cottage cheese in many years, and the quinoa at the bottom, which is hard to get to. I'm doing my best for you. Hold on, just hold on. Be patient. Okay, mixing it up is extremely difficult. I already said that, I know. I'm repeating myself. So I am going to engage in the time-honored traditional method of mixing salad by tossing it. And the nice thing about the green goddess salad dressing in this is that it is made from yogurt, so I'm getting probiotics. But still, it would have been nice if fewer of their salads had dairy in them. Because almost every single one of their salads has dairy in it, which is irritating. for people like me who don't want to eat dairy. So, Farmers Fresh in Chicago, please, more variants without dairy. All right, I've done the best I can. It's now down to about a little bit more than half size. So, please erase from your mind any memories of Green Goddess salad dressing. This is not the same thing. It's quite different. In fact, I mean, it's okay, but it's not particularly memorable. I can make a better salad on my own and spend a fraction of the amount of money that this costs. But, if you're on the run and you need a salad, and you don't mind you're getting dairy, then this will be a good choice for you. So, there we have it. I'll give it a 5. Thanks for watching, and I hope you have a great day.